Good day, viewers. You are welcome. This question is not as hard as it looks, and after getting the value of a, the verification is assured. You are welcome. How do you solve this problem? Pause this video and give it a try. We have a radical algebra as the square root of 2 power a minus 1 equals the square root of 2 power of a minus 3 equals 12. So this just need little manipulations and we get the answer in a very simple term. So let's consider the solution from here. So first thing we are going to do is we are going to change the roots into half. So we have 2 power of a minus 1. So if I raise all this by 1 over 2, this is still half. Then plus open bracket 2 power of a minus 3 raised to power of 2 equals 12. So with rule of indices, so the whole of a minus 1 they are together, then it multiplies 1. And here gives us 2 power of a minus 1 over 2. Then plus 2 power of, repeat the same thing with this. We have a minus 3 over 2 equals 12. So looking at the power of these two bases, the base are the same but the power are different. And this is not multiplication that we are going to take the rule of exponent and adding the power together. So we have addition separates these two bases. But looking at the power of this, a minus 1 over 2, a minus 3 over 2. So they are not the same. We have to make these two the same by manipulating this side. But we can still manipulate this one as well, depend on the one you choose. But for simplicity, let's try to remanipulate a minus 1 over 2 in terms of a minus 3 divided by 2. So what we are going to do is, if I have this as 2 to the power of a minus 3, this is what I need, over 2. But it was minus 1. It means if I add 1 to this, so we know 2 multiplied by 1 gives us 2. And minus 3 plus 2 gives us minus 1. So we have what we get, what we have above. And all this one, they are on the base of 2. Then plus 2 power of a minus 3 divided by 2 equals 12. So let's try to note this expression. If we have a power of m plus n, this is the same thing as a power of m multiplied by a power of n. This is multiplication. So consider this a minus 3 over 2 as m and consider this one as n. So applying this rule, we have 2 power of a minus 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 power of 1, then plus 2 power of a minus 3 over 2 equals 12. And again, let's try to substitute for simplicity as well. We have 2 power a minus 3 over 2, both are common. There are two things we can do. It's either we factor it out or we let it to be another variable. Any of the two we choose. When you consider factoring it out, we are going to have 2 power of a minus 3 over 2, then bracket. What this is having together with it is 2. Then plus, also this, it has been taken out. Then what we have here is 1. This equals 12. Then we have 2 power of a minus 3 over 2 bracket, or you can just leave it as multiply by 3 equals 12. So dividing both sides by 3 cancel 3, and we have 2 power of a minus 3 over 2 equals 3 in 12 gives us 4. And then, so this 4 we have to express it in base of 2, as we have 2 power of a minus 3 over 2 equals 2 power of 2. 2 power of 2 gives us 12. So therefore, we are going to cancel these 2 and we equate the power together, which is a minus 3 over 2 equals 2 over 1. And we cross multiply at this point to get the value of a. So here a minus 3 equals 2 multiplied by 2, that gives us 4. And to get a, we take this 3 to other side, or simply we have to add 3 to both sides. Here we have a minus 3 plus 3 equals 4 plus 3. This cancelled, and we have a equals 7. So here is the solution to this problem as a equals to 7, but let's try to verify. If you watch this video to this point, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So let's try to verify the answer that we got. Since we have a equals 7, and from the given problem we have 2 power of a minus 1, then plus the square root of 2 power of a minus 3 equals 12. I want to show that substituting this gives us 12. Let's focus on this side. We transform this to 2 power of a minus 1 over 2 plus 2 power of a minus 3 over 2. So is this equals 12? So replacing this, we have 2 power of 7 minus 1 over 2 plus 2 power of 7 minus 3 over 2. So is this equals to 12? And again, we have 2 power of 7 minus 1 gives us 6 over 2 plus 2 raised to power 7 minus 3 gives us 4 over 2. So is this equals to 12? And here we have 2 raised to power 2 in 6 gives us 3 plus 2 in 4 gives us 2. So is this equals 12? And then 2 raised to power 3 is 8 plus 2 raised to power 2 gives us 4. And the sum of this gives us 12. Because 8 plus 12 equals 12. So both of them are equal. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.